Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Creation a pin is the core activity on Pinterest. It's how you share your ideas, sell products, and grow your audience. Every pin can link directly to your site and includes images, videos, or a mix of both. So here is how to create one. First and first, go ahead and upload an image or video. On mobile, tap the plus icon off the bottom of the screen. So there is basically multiple things to do. As you see here, you can start creating now by tapping on this plus button. They're gonna ask you board, pin, collage depending on you. Now select pin and upload your image or video. On desktop, click the plus icon to create a new pin and upload the image or video, or even drag and drop assets. Then add your title and description. Use descriptive title that includes relevant keywords your audience searches for. This improves basically discoverability. The title, description, board name, and alt text all help people find your pin. Then add a destination link. Make your pin actionable by adding a link that drives traffic back to your site. I'm talking here about URL. This is where people will go when they click your pin. Then choose a board. Organize your pin into a well-named board. Boards with clear descriptive titles like easy, no, bake dinners, for example, help with search and discovery. And that's here the main idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.